this is Chef Car. We're going to make a strawberry banana smoothie! First we start with cutting 6 bananas. 6 strawberries. In half. Then we take the banana, cut off the head, cut off the tail, and then you can see you have to peel the banana. And don't hurt the banana or else you'll be evil. Now you cut the banana pieces.
You write a bad review of this girl's web show just because you were angry with her. Oh my God. Nicole? Okay, yeah. I don't think you should have my face with something because you anticipated the prizes half.
Then you open the blender. Put the bananas in, but don't put in the wrong pieces, or else it'll come out as not as a good smoothie as it's supposed to come out. Only get the good pieces, as you can see. But then you put inside the strawberries. That's really easy to put in. Easier than the bananas. Then you put lots of ice in. You put the milk inside. And you put 2 giant scoops of sugar. Close the lid and put this on low. Make sure the engine and you see, now we're done with our delicious smoothie. Thanks for watching. 1, 2, 3, and clear.